Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And the question that I've got a lot in the past few days and weeks, and as we're nearing 2025 and only a few weeks now, is about Windows 12. We talked about it. We knew that there was a new version of Windows that was supposed to be something like Windows 12 that would have been released. Uh, so, what happens is that when you think about 2025, we will have, of course, Windows 11 still being tweaked, still being updated. With 25 H2 will be the next big update. How big will it be? That's going to be interesting to see. And in parallel, the Windows 11 for PCs that are, Windows plus Copilot PCs, or this is going to be interesting because now it's like a parallel development for Windows. Two different Windows, one focused a lot more on AI, and one standard version for regular PCs. Plus, we have Windows 10 that will be supported up to the October 2025. Then, if you pay for the security updates, well, you'll get another year. So my personal take on 2025 for Windows 12 is that there will not be a Windows 12 next year. I think Microsoft is doing too many things at the same time to have a Windows 12. The only thing that would make Windows 12 a possibility would be that if the Copilot Plus PCs that are sold are actually changed in a way that they're going to say, well, instead of having Windows 11 Copilot Plus PCs, we'll call it Windows 12 starting this date. This could be the case. There's all sorts of unknowns on Windows 12, and those unknowns go with the fact that what kind of technology will be dominant at some point in time. I wouldn't be surprised that Windows 12 will be a thing, but would be a thing for only Copilot Plus PC capable machines. Not next year, once again, but maybe in 2026. This is going to give the time for a lot of PCs to be changed with those new PCs. And we know that Canalys and Gartner that look at the PC sales say that the majority of PCs sold towards the end of next year will be Copilot Plus PC capable, which means that maybe that will push a new generation of Windows, which will be Windows 12, which will be focused on these machines, on AI and all of that. But we'll see. We'll see if my predictions are right. But I think next year at this time, if we talk about it, Windows 12 will not be a thing in 2025. If you're waiting for that, I think you're waiting for nothing, because that's not going to happen in 2025. 2026, that's another story. Windows 10 will have largely gone, and Windows 11, well, we'll see where it stands. But as Windows 10 slowly goes away, that's where a possibility of a Windows 12 will appear, I think, to get something new. And if you think about it, we're at 3 years and a half of Windows 11. Next year we'll be at 4.5. Usually after about 5 years, the Windows operating system gets what's called its extended support, which is the first 5 years are usually where there's new features, new things happening, and then it levels off into just mainstream updates, very little new feature, and that's when usually we get something new in terms of new Windows. But it's a complex situation because we now have new types of machines coming out, and I wouldn't be surprised that Windows 12 will be reserved only for those types of machines. Gone will be the standard, x64 Windows. I wouldn't be surprised with Windows 12. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.